Global learning for fun! Please like and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to learn about our solar system. Our solar system primarily consists of the Sun and the planets. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun is the powerful center of attention for our solar system. Our Sun is one of the many stars in the universe. It is a giant ball of gas that makes lots of energy. It brings warmth and light to our solar system. The planets orbit the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. It has a rocky crust with craters. It is hot on the side facing the Sun and cold on the other side. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It has a poisonous fog and orange color. It is the hottest planet. Venus is nicknamed the evening star. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It has large volumes of liquid water and oxygen. Earth is also the only planet with life on it. Mars is also called the red planet. It has 2 moons, volcanoes, canyons, rocks, and sand. Mars has thin and poisonous atmosphere. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is a giant ball of swirling gas. It has large red spots of giant storms. Jupiter also has many moons and 2 thin rings. Saturn is 6 from the Sun, and it has rings of frozen gas, ice, and rock. It is the second largest planet of our solar system. Saturn is yellow in color and has many moons. Uranus is the third largest planet. It has dozens of moons, thin rings, and blue-green color. Neptune is the 4th largest planet of our solar system. It has many thin rings and moons. Neptune is blue in color and has dark spots. The gravity of the Sun keeps the planets in their orbits. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner or terrestrial planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer or gas planets. Today, we learned about our solar system. Our solar system consists of our star, the Sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. And the planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you for watching our channel, and please like and subscribe.